Congratulations for making it inside of the T-shirt game brand launch mini course. What you have done is taken this step that most people actually don't even take. They click on my landing page, they see the success, they see the results, but they don't take initiative to actually learn. So the next step in taking initiative is to completing this short mini course. It actually isn't that long. It's not going to take too much time for you to understand. But I was doing a webinar, and then I said a lot of people are enjoying the webinar, but there's a lot of people dropping off just due to the time that a webinar is. So how can I bring a solution to help more people win and achieve success? And what I've done is broken down my proven clothing brand framework, which goes impact over income equals profit, which all top clothing brands actually use to generate 6 and 7 figures in their business all the time. I've broken that down into a step-by-step mini course that you can actually go through at your own pace and understand exactly what you need to do to overcome the obstacles that you're currently facing in your business. Some of those obstacles that I'm sure you're facing right now are: you've already bought t-shirts and they're sitting in your closet, sitting in your office, they're not selling, and you don't understand why. Or maybe you bought a heat press and some equipment and you're looking at the money that you've already spent, but you're like, dang, I haven't made any money yet, and you're frustrated, right? So those are things that most of my clients deal with. Or maybe you even spent money getting your Shopify site done. You got a Shopify and you're like, I don't know what to do past this since I have a website. I don't know how to get traffic to my brand. Have any of you ever dealt with something like that? Or maybe you're the person that, you know, you're seeing a lot of other successful people around you do it, and you need help understanding how you can be a part of this game. Maybe that's you. I don't know. So any of those reasons are all reasons why I developed this mini course, is to help you understand how to get forward. And let me tell you another thing that people usually do wrong. They think the first thing that you need to do is buy equipment and spend money. No, the first thing you need to do is you need understanding. You need a roadmap of your brand so that you understand what you're selling. Do you know how much easier it is to sell something when you're confident in it? Like when you tell your spouse or your significant other or friend about an idea you believe in, it's so much easier to get them to believe you and want to attach to that idea than it is when you're talking about something that you truly don't understand. And that is what this proven framework is going to do. In this mini course, guys, when you go through this, I guarantee if you complete it, it will not take you longer than several hours to complete it. Download the worksheets that I have in here that I spent plenty of time making for you so that you can win. Fill them out. Answer the questions about what your brand is, who your brand is serving, why does your brand exist? All of those things will help you develop your content strategy. In the mini course in trimester 2, trimester 1, I talk about a proven content strategy that you can use for your Instagram, your Facebook, that will help you get way more traffic, that you can use that traffic for retargeting, and that you can build your page. I see my page jump, several hundred followers per month just by using this strategy. And the more you rinse and repeat it, the more your page will grow. I'm not even going to tell you how it works. You have to go through the training. And guys, this is my big promise to you. I guarantee if you complete this mini course, you will have the complete understanding of what your brand is and how you can actually sell your brand to people. Because I believe brands do the best when other people can attach to those brands because they understand what that brand is, what it stands for, what it resembles. Look in your closet. Look at some of the brands that you have. Why did you buy them? They probably meant something to you. They probably stood out to you. That's the same thing that I'm going to help you do in this mini course with your brand. So if you're ready to get started, what I need you to do is download the PDF workbook and fill it out. Or if you have 2 monitors, you can actually fill it in because it's a fillable PDF. And it's literally, if you do it, guys, it's going to help you get through this training much easier. And you can keep this and print it out and use it as a guide to help you as you go further along through your business. Once you complete this training, guys, the next thing to do, if you want to jump into the full course, that will provide you all the tools, all the secrets that I use in my business, such as my email softwares, such as where I get t-shirts at from overseas, hats, jackets, socks, all of that is inside of there. How to get loans so you can get money. Those are the tools. But before you get to the tools, it is imperative. When I say imperative, I mean imperative that you understand exactly what you're selling. You understand your brand. So I have about 4 to 5 quick videos below here probably about 2 hours worth of your time that will literally, I guarantee you guys, will give you a complete different frame of thought of how you can reach success by selling t-shirts. So if you're ready to get started, go ahead and click the next video, download the PDF. I'm your guy, Tony, and I look forward to seeing you win. And as I always say, let's win together. Thank you guys. Come on, complete it. Don't drop off. It's 2 hours. It's free game. Get in the game. I can't wait to see your t-shirt business. DM me, email me, follow me at TunedinTony. Let's go. I'm hyped. You're about to win. I can feel it. Let's go.